Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, our topic is 220 volts, double Y, parallel Y. This is the terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. Tapos, terminal 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ang terminal 1 guys at saka terminal 7 nakakonect siya guys, series siya para sa ating line 1 and 7. Ang terminal 2 and terminal 8 naka-series siya guys for line 2, terminal 2 and terminal 8. And 3 and terminal 3 and terminal 9 guys, naka-series siya. Then line 3 and 9. Tapos guys, ang terminal 4 natin naka-series siya sa 5 and terminal 6. Naka-join siya guys. This is join. Terminal 4 and terminal 5 and terminal 6. Para sa ating another Y connection natin. Then ang 10, 11 and 12 guys naka-join siya, connected series. Na-join siya terminal 10, 11 and 12. Another guys connection is 440 volts or single Y, 1Y or series Y. This is line 1, line 2, line 3. This is line 4, line 5, line 6. This is line 7, 8, and 9. This is 10, 11, and 12. Ang terminal 1 natin guys, line 1. Tapos, ang terminal 2 natin guys, line 2. Ang terminal 3 natin guys, line 3. Tapos, Tapos 4 and 7 guys, naka-series siya. Naka-join siya. 4 and 7. Tapos 5 and 8, naka-join. 6 and 9, naka-join. Naka-series siya. Tapos yung 10, 11 and 12 guys, naka-series connection siya. Join siya guys. Terminal 10 and 11 and 12. Para makalabas tayo ng 440 volts. Bible verse of the day. The book of Deuteronomy, chapter 7, verse 9. Know therefore that the Lord thy God, He is God, the faithful God, which keepeth covenant and mercy with them that love Him and keep His commandments to 1,000 generations. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.